Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Hyundai Sonata headlight. This process is straightforward, and you can definitely do it yourself with a few basic tools. First, gather your supplies. You'll need a 10mm socket wrench, a flathead screwdriver, and of course, your new headlight bulb. Make sure your car is parked safely on a level surface with the engine completely off before you begin. Let's get started. Now that you have your tools ready, let's access the headlight assembly. You'll find 3 10mm bolts holding it in place. Use your socket wrench to carefully loosen and remove each of these bolts. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It might feel a little snug, but with a steady pull, it will detach from the vehicle, giving you full access to the bulbs. With the headlight assembly out, replacing the bulb is the next step. First, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb. Then, twist the old bulb about 1/4 turn counterclockwise to release it from its housing. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out. Now, take your new bulb, being careful not to touch the glass, and insert it, twisting it clockwise until it locks securely into place. Reconnect the electrical connector. You're almost done. Now it's time to put everything back together. Carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its original position, ensuring it aligns properly. Reinsert the 3 10mm bolts and tighten them securely with your socket wrench. Don't over-tighten them. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it's working perfectly. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your Hyundai Sonata headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.